Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Discord audio. First, you have to open your Google Chrome web browser or any other browser, and in the URL section, type down discord.com and enter it. And after that, on the top right corner that says open Discord over here, click on that. And the Discord will open, and the bottom right over here, there's this settings option. Click on that as well. And what you have to do is over here, scroll down and go to the voice and video right over here. And here we could see you can fix the volume, the output volume as well, and also sensitivity as per you require, and also the soundboard volumes just like this. You can also click back the noise suppression over here if you want. For the standard, click this option. And this is it guys, and thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.